The Sugar Sand Festival brings in over 1,000 tons of white sand to the beach with 11 artists from all over the world to showcase their amazing talents. Everything you see is made completely by hand. There are no molds used. They are made up of nothing but water, sand, and pressure. This year's theme is See America, a celebration of America's treasures. When the sand is brought in, workers compress the sand into huge blocks, which is then carved by the artist from the top down. The artists use a variety of tools to carve the creations, including shovels, trowels, baking tools, brushes, utility, and even dental tools. The Sugar Sand Festival is loaded full of activities for the entire family. There's a giant sandbox for the kids. Every evening caps off with an amazing fireworks display over the Gulf of Mexico. Grab your front row seat on Pier 60 to see the street performers. It's a fantastic, family-friendly show that's sure to impress. They love to get the crowd involved, and kids love it too. You can also stroll down Pier 60 to see a wide variety of different arts and crafts exhibits from local vendors showing their work. I'm Mick with VR Guest. We'll see you at the beach.